all-new Toyota GR Supra is the 5th generation of our legendary sports car. Now let's take the opportunity to hear more about it.
At Geneva, we're undertaking the European premiere of the new GR Supra. I guess you heard a few things about it already, so I won't cover it in detail. But let me briefly remind you of the key elements. Supra was conceived and developed by Chief Engineer Tada, who was also responsible for the GT86. Tada-san's vision was to create a focused two-seat sports car that customers could enjoy on a daily basis. To achieve that, he set out to engineer a lightweight but high rigidity body, a low center of gravity, and something called the golden ratio for the best blend of agility and stability. Then he added a 340 horsepower, straight-six turbocharged engine driving the rear wheels through an 8-speed transmission. Finally, the team wrapped the ingredients into a design that has a strong connection to the FT1 concept. The result is a car that has caused a bit of a stir, to say the least. We have two GR Supras on stand, one finished in prominence red with a black leather interior, which we expect to be the most popular color combination. The other car is the A90 edition, finished in storm grey matte paint with contrasting matte black wheels and a red leather interior. This variant was limited to 90 units and has already sold out. I'm pleased to confirm that the Supra 900 Club, created for the first 900 owners in Europe, is fully subscribed in most markets. But don't worry, the order books for 2020 deliveries will open shortly. Retailers will receive their demo cars in the coming months, and I'm certain they will be more than willing to get customers behind the wheel. Thanks for your attention. Please be sure to also view the GR Supra GT4 concept module.